Nobody wants to waste their time scrolling through hundreds of tasks and task lists. That's what filters are for. Watch today's tutorial video to learn how to use Zoho Project filters in under 5 minutes. To be updated with our future Zoho-related tutorials, consider subscribing to our channel and pressing that bell icon.
There are two types of filters in Zoho Projects. The first type is related to one project, and you will see the results of the filtering only for one project. And the second type of filters is related to all projects. Let's start with the first type. To find some particular project, you can go to Recent Projects tab and choose the project directly from this drop-down list, or you can click on the Project tab in the left side menu and choose Project from this drop-down list here. Let's choose Test Project. You can filter tasks, milestones, timesheets, and issues based on some particular project. Let's start with Tasks filters. Click on the Filter button in the top right corner, and you will see all lists with criteria based on which you can filter the tasks. You can filter the tasks based on their status, based on the owner, the task priority. You can use some date filters and customize them if needed. There is the list of some predefined criteria options, or you can customize date filters using some between, less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal, and not between syntaxes. You can filter tasks based on the related milestones, if there are some, based on the assigned tags, based on the task billing type, and based on some custom fields. To filter milestones, click on the filter in the top right corner and you will see all criteria based on which you can filter the milestone. The same thing with timesheets. You can filter timesheets based on the approval status if the approval of timesheets is enabled in Zoho Projects, based on logged users, based on billing type, added by, created time, modified time, some invoice status, whether it's all invoiced or yet to invoice, and based on the type. To filter all projects, go to Work Overview tab. Under this Work Overview tab, you will see all tasks, issues, milestones or timesheets, which are related to all projects to which you are added as the user. We are now at the Tasks tab. As you see, there is the list of tasks under some particular projects. Under Test Projects, Sprints Projects, under Explore Zoho Projects project, and all projects which are active now and to which you are added as the user. Click on the Filter button, and there is the same list of criteria based on which you can filter the tasks. But here, after you defined some criteria of filtering and click Find, you will see the results of filtering not for some particular project, but for all projects in the system to which you are added as the user.
That was so easy, right? That's a walkthrough in using Zoho Project filters. We'll see you in our next video, so stay tuned. Help us grow our community. Hit like, subscribe, and share this video to people you know. Do you have questions or clarifications? Send them our way at knowhow@customerization.ca.